If someone runs a red light tomorrow and totals your car, do you know what happens if they don't have insurance? Most Las Vegas drivers assume they're completely out of luck. In this video, I'll show you exactly what uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage is, how to check if you already have it, and how to use it to get the compensation you deserve, even when the other driver has nothing. Hi, I'm Scott Poisson. Having represented over 10,000 clients, I've seen firsthand how insurance companies bully people to pay them as little as possible. If you need to speak with an attorney you can trust to help you get a bigger settlement, call me at 702-256-4566. First, let me explain why this matters more than most people realize. Nevada has one of the highest rates of uninsured drivers in the country. Studies consistently show that roughly 1 in every 4 drivers on Las Vegas roads has no insurance at all, or they're carrying the bare minimum, which in Nevada is only $25,000. That means if you get hit by one of these drivers and your medical bills alone are $50,000, their policy won't even cover half. And if they have no insurance, you're looking at a situation where the person who hurt you literally has nothing to give. This is where most people panic. They assume they're stuck paying everything out of pocket, or worse, they give up on pursuing any compensation at all. But here's what most people don't know. The solution might already be in your own insurance policy. It's called UM or UIM coverage. That stands for uninsured motorist and underinsured motorist coverage. Let me break down what each one means. Uninsured motorist coverage kicks in when the person who hit you has no insurance whatsoever. Underinsured motorist coverage kicks in when they have insurance, but it's not enough to cover your damages. Here's the key insight. With UI or UIM, you're not filing a claim against the other driver. You're filing a claim against your own policy. Your insurance company steps in and pays you as if they were the at-fault driver's insurer. Now, the next question I get is this: do I even have this coverage? Here's how to check. Pull up your auto insurance policy and look for what's called the declarations page. It's usually the first page or two. You'll see a list of your coverages and the dollar amounts next to each one. Look for UM or UIM or uninsured/underinsured motorist. If you see a number next to it, you have coverage. If it says rejected or waived, you don't. And unfortunately, that means you signed a form at some point declining it. One more thing to check. If you have multiple vehicles on your policy, you might have what's called stacking. This means your coverage limits can add up across vehicles, giving you significantly more protection than you realize. So let's say you've confirmed you have UM/UIM coverage. What do you do next? The process looks a lot like a regular injury claim. But there's one critical difference you need to understand. Step 1, document everything. Get the police report, take photos at the scene, and make sure you get medical treatment right away. Your medical records are the foundation of your claim. Without them, you have no proof of injury. Step 2, notify your insurance company that you're filing a UM/UIM claim. You're required to do this, but here's where it gets tricky. Step 3, do not give a recorded statement without legal guidance. I know that sounds strange. This is your own insurance company, the one you've been paying premiums to for years. But here's the reality most people don't want to hear. Your insurance company is not on your side. Their job is to pay you as little as possible. The adjuster who calls you, they're trained to ask questions designed to minimize your claim. They'll look for any reason to reduce what they owe you. Gaps in medical treatment, inconsistencies in your story, anything they can use. This is the part that shocks most of my clients. They expect the other driver's insurance to fight them. They don't expect their own insurance company to do the same thing, but they do every single time. I've handled hundreds of UM/UIM claims, and I can tell you the tactics are identical. They'll offer you a quick settlement that's a fraction of what your case is worth. They'll pressure you to accept before you even know the full extent of your injuries. And once you sign, it's final. You can't go back and ask for more. This is exactly why having a lawyer matters, even when you're dealing with your own insurer. When they know your attorney is prepared to take the case to trial if necessary, the settlement offers go up. That's not a theory. That's what I've seen over 30 years of doing this. If you've been hit by an uninsured or underinsured driver in Nevada, call me at 702-256-4566 for a free consultation. I'll help you figure out exactly what coverage you have and how to get the most of it. Now, car accidents aren't the only way people get seriously injured. Slip and fall cases happen every day at places like Walmart, Costco, and grocery stores across the valley. But these cases are also some of the hardest to win if you don't know what you're doing. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to win a slip and fall case in Nevada. Click here to watch it now.